In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your laptop model and model number. Knowing your exact laptop model is really important, especially when you're looking for compatible parts, planning an upgrade, or reaching out for technical support. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several simple ways to find that information, so you can pick whichever method works best for you. Let's start with the most straightforward option, checking the outside of your laptop. First, safely shut down your laptop and unplug the charger. Close the lid and flip the laptop over so you're looking at the bottom case. Most manufacturers print the model name and model number on a label or engrave it directly into the casing. It's often near the center, along an edge, or close to the battery area on older laptops. You might see a mix of numbers and letters, sometimes next to the word model. Take a moment to read carefully, because there can also be serial numbers or regulatory text in the same area. If the bottom is covered in stickers or is hard to read, try using your phone's flashlight or camera zoom to get a clearer view. On some laptops, the model information may be printed under a removable battery or under a small access panel. So if your battery detaches easily, you can gently remove it and check underneath. Just be sure not to force anything. If you don't see the model information on the outside, or if the text is worn out, you can also check from within your operating system. On many laptops, you can open your system settings and look for an About or System section. There you'll usually find the device name, model, and basic hardware details. This is especially useful if you're taking a screenshot to send to support or to a repair technician. When you find your model number, it's a good idea to write it down or save it on your phone for future reference. Keep in mind that the name printed on the front of the laptop, like a series name, might not be the full model number. The exact model is usually a more detailed code printed on the back or in the system information. By the end of this process, you should have your clear laptop model and model number ready to use for driver downloads, replacement parts, or any troubleshooting you need.